Welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is about MS Publisher 2007. This is our 6th chapter and it will be very easy one and it will be helpful for you. Okay, so our chapter name is MS Publisher 2007. See, this is the start button. From the start button, we have to click on the Microsoft Office. From the Microsoft Office, we can get this Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. So this is the window page of MS Publisher 2007. Here we can see the menu bar. Here we can see menu bar, and this is the publication type taskpan. Publication type taskpan. Okay, and we can see here we can see recent publications, and here we can see popular publication types. Okay, this is the window that we can see when we open this MS Publisher. This is a screen that we can see. Okay, so what is mean by this MS Publisher? MS Publisher, that is Microsoft Office Publisher, is a software which is used to create and design professional looking newsletters, brochures, business cards and websites. That is, this MS Publisher 2007 is a software which is used to create and design. It is used to create and design brochures, business cards, calendars, email, flyers, greeting cards, import Word document, labels, newsletters, postcard, website, everything. Okay, so for it provide pre-designed features. Okay, it provides pre-designed template for a wide range of publication type like banners, brochures, labels, everything. Okay, all these options, can you see these options? These will give the pre-designed templates for creating this brochures, business card, everything. Okay, so let's start to learn how to create a publication. So creating a publication, after starting this MS Publisher, the next step is to create publication. So we have to choose a variety. We can see a variety of publication type. From that we have to choose any one of the publication. Okay, so to create a publication, first we have to choose any one of the publication type. Here can you see blank size, advertisement, award, banners, brochures, business card, like that different thing is there. From this we have to choose any one of the publication type. For example, here let us create business card. Okay, let me click on this business card. So when we click the business card, we can see different forms of business card. Okay, these are the different types of business card. From this we can choose any one of the business card. Can you see, when we scroll down we can see different variety of business card. So from this we can choose any one of the business card. Okay, so let me click on in a textbook it is there, brocade is there. Here I am going to choose this retro. Okay, let me click on this retro, and after selecting that, here you can see create button. We have to click on the create button. So when we click on the create button, that selected publication type will be appeared on the screen. Selected publication type will be appeared on the screen. So now this is the time to do the different activities on this selected publication type. Editing text. So here you can see business name, shilpabandra@gmail.com. Here different details are there, right? So here we have to choose we have to edit all these things. We have to make our details into this retro. Okay, in this business card. So how can we format the text? That is, here you can see business name. Here we can edit it. So here I have deleted that business name, and I am going to write Shilpa. Simply we can give any one of the name. Okay, so after giving, if we want to change the color of this, we can select it. Here can you see color scheme. So to change color scheme of the publication, we have to click on the color scheme option from the publication taskbar, and we have to choose any one of the color. We have to choose any one of the color. So from that we can you see the publication type color is getting changing. Okay, so here let's sunrise color. Here we have choose a sunrise color, and our text color is changed into red. If we want to change the font, for that also we have to click on the font scheme on the taskbar. From this font scheme we can choose any one of the font. Okay, yeah, if we want to change this into different style, we can choose. These are the things that can be done for formatting a publication. That is, we can choose this color scheme and font scheme to edit our business card. You can also use the tools in the formatting toolbar to format text in your publication. Here in the format option, here you can see font and drop cap, everything is there. From that also we can choose the options to format our text. So let's here this is my mail ID, so let it be there, and let me change my address here. Okay, let me change the address simply by Tiruvali, and here let me change, we can edit the number. That is, simply I can give a number. If there is fax number, that can be added here, and mail ID can be mail ID also we can change. Simply we can give school at auton.com. Here like this we can give. Okay, so after editing this work, if we want to add any picture into this, we can use the clip art option. Okay, you can insert pictures from clip art or from file in the same manner that you did in MS Word. Okay, so here you can see a picture. If it is no need, we can delete it. Simply we have to select it and we have to click on the delete option, so it will be deleted. So if we want to add the clip art, what we have to do is we have to click on the picture frame. Here can you see the picture frame? Yes, so clip art, and here what kind of clip art that we need. So let's write computer related computer. Okay, when we click the computer, so related to computer, different images were there. So from this we can choose any one of the image, and we can resize the image by dragging it. Okay, so this is the way to insert clip art into our business card. Okay, that is, we can if we want to take the clip art option, we have to click on the picture frame. When we click the picture frame, we can see different options. So we can choose clip art option, either clip art or picture option. Okay, and if it is clip art, we have to click on the clip art and we have to select the picture. If it is file, that we have to save the files, then only we can save it out. Okay, so that is the option for inserting picture in a publication. So when we create a picture, we can see a picture toolbar. This is the picture toolbar. It consists of different options to change the position of the logo, or it is used to insert some other picture, to change the place. Everything can be done with this picture toolbar option. Then the next topic is applying background to a publication. If we want to apply background, what we have to do is we have to click on the format menu on the menu bar and choose the background option. When we click the background option, here we can see different backgrounds. From this we can choose any one of the background. It is there. Can you see the changes in the background? Yes. So based upon that we can change the background. Based upon this background option, we can change the background also. Clear? Yes. So these are the things that we can done with the help of MS Publisher. After that we can save. From the file menu we can click on this save as option, and we can name the publication business card, and in desktop we can keep this business card, so it will be saved. Okay, so to see the preview, what we can do is, after creating your publication, if you want to have an idea that how your publication would like after printing it, so for that we have to click on the print preview option. We have to click on the print preview option. Okay, so print preview option tool will be there on the standard toolbar to preview your publication. It will be there on the standard. Let us see. It will be there on the print preview. This is a print preview option. So this is the way this much of copies will be there when we download or when we print this. Okay, this we can use as a visiting card. Okay, this we can use as a visiting card. Clear? Yes. So after that, if we want to, after closing, if we want to open this, means we can click on this file option and open. In the open we can see this business card. So if we click on the OK button, it will be there in the screen. So these are the options. It is there on the MS Publisher 2007. See, now we have taken only one business card, not only this one. Let me show you some other options are there. File, new. When we take new, calendar is there. Different forms of calendars are there. We can choose and we can click on the create option. So calendars are there. Here also we can make some changes or addition work, everything. Similarly, birthday cards will be there. Birthday cards, greeting card, and we can choose the greeting card model. So to give greeting card to our friends and all, we can choose this option. So this is the first page of the greeting card, and in the second page will be there. Here we can write our thoughts. Here we can write our thoughts, happy birthday, like that we can write. We can make editing works and all. For in the font scheme we can choose the font, and in the color scheme we can select the color for the pages, and here we can see the fill color. We can fill the color in portion, like that different works can be done. And finally last page, here also we can write whatever that we need. Okay, like that different publication types are there. So based upon that publication type, we can, what kind of publication is needed, Based upon that we can choose, then we can edit it and we can save it for our future use. Clear?